हेलो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, आज हम फिजिक्स मेंस का पेपर डिस्कस करेंगे जो 4 अक्टूबर को हुआ। सो टोटल क्वेश्चन 25 क्वेश्चन है। क्वेश्चन नंबर वन इज if a vector and b vector is given that then a minus b will be, so a vector is equal to 10 I cap plus 7 j cap plus 4 k cap and b vector is equal to 3 I cap minus 3 j cap plus 4 k cap. Then we have to find out a minus b vector. So a minus b vector is equal to a minus b. So 10 minus 3 7 I cap plus 7 minus of minus 3 means 10 j cap plus 4 minus 4 0 k cap. So this is our answer. Option number 3. Okay. Now next question. Question number 2. Maximum value of function is fx is equal to root 3 sin x plus cos x. So its maximum values. So we know that maximum value of this type of function is like a function is a sin x plus b cos x. So maximum value of this function is a square plus b square, and minimum value is minus of under root of a square plus b square. So its maximum value will be under root of a square. A is root 3 square 3 plus b square 1 square 1. So it is equal to 2. This is the maximum value. Then question number 3. Question number 3 is if function y f of y is equal to ln of cos y, ln of cos y, then we have to find out f double dash y. So we have to differentiate it 2 times. So single differentiation of this function is, first we will chain rule will apply. So differentiation of ln is 1 upon x. So ln differentiation of ln of cos y is 1 upon cos y. Okay. Then differentiation of cos y is minus sin y. So it is equal to minus 10y. Now again one more time differentiation of this function. So 10 differentiation of 10x is sec square x. So it is sec square y or minus 1 upon cos square y. This is our answer. Write down. Then question number 4. If function q equal to 4v cube plus 3v square, then the value of v such that there exists maxima of q. We have to find out the value of v such that at that value v q is maximum. So we know that to find any maximum or minimum, different slope of this function will be equal to 0. So find slope of this function dq by dv is equal to 12v square plus 6v is equal to 0. Okay. So v is common, 6v is common, then here 2v plus 1 is equal to 0. So here v is equal to 0 and v is equal to minus 1 by 2. So we have to find out maximum or minimum. We have to find out maxima. Okay. So for maximum or minimum, find double differentiation d square q by dv square. So the double differentiation of this function is 24v plus 6. Now put v equal to 0. D square by q upon dv square is equal to 6, which is greater than 0. So at v equal to 0, it is minima. Now put v equal to minus 1 by 2, d square by d square cube upon d square v dv square is equal to 24 into minus 1 by 2 is minus 12 plus 6, it is equal to minus 6. So it is negative value. So at v equal to minus 1 by 2, the function is maximum. Okay. Now next question. Question number 5. Question number 5 is vector sum of the forces 5 and 4 Newton cannot be. We know that the maximum value of two vector A and B is A plus B and minimum value is A minus B. So here are maximum value will be 5 plus 4 9 Newton and minimum value will be 5 minus 4 1 Newton. So choose the option which is not in between these ranges. So 4 Newton is 4, 3 and 5 can be possible. So only 10 Newton is not possible. So option 1 is the correct answer. 10 Newton is not possible. Now question number 6. Question number 6 is the x component of a certain vector is 2 units and y component is 2 root 3 units. Okay. Suppose this is a vector. Its x component is 2 and y component is 2 root 3. So suppose this is a vector. So I can write like this. A is equal to 2 I cap plus 2 root 3 j cap. What is the magnitude of the vector? So magnitude of the vector will be under root of 2 square 4 plus under root of 2 root 3 square 4 into 3 12. So it is under root 16 means equal to 4. So answer is 4. Then question number 7. If A vector is 2I cap plus 4j cap and B vector is 3I cap plus 2k cap, then A plus B. A vector is 2I cap plus 4j cap. B vector is 3I cap plus 2k cap. Then A plus B vector. We have to simply add these vector. So 2 plus 3, 5I cap, J, 4j cap plus 2k cap. So the option is option number 2. Okay. Next question. Question number 8. The x and y component of a vector A are minus 1 and 2 meter respectively. So I can write like this. This A vector is x component is minus 1. So minus I cap plus y component is 2. So 2j cap. The x and y component of a vector A plus B. Another vector A plus B. Its x component is 2. So 2I cap and y component is 6. So 6j cap. Find length of B. Find length of B. So first we have to calculate the B vector. So we can calculate like this. B vector is equal to 2I cap plus 6j cap minus A vector. So put the value of A vector 2I cap plus 6j cap minus plus I cap minus 2j cap. So 3I cap plus 6 minus 2 4j cap. So its length will be under root of 3 square plus 4 square means under root of 25 means 5. Okay. Now next question. Question number 9. Two forces A and B of magnitude F each are acting at a point such that resultant force at point is equal to root 2F. Means F net is given root 2F f1 is equal to is also f, f2 is equal to also f. If angle theta between the two vectors is pi by x, then we have to find out the angle between these two vectors. So let's say angle is theta. So we know that f net is equal to under root of f1 square plus f2 square plus 2 f1 f2 cos theta. Okay, so f net is root 2f is equal to f1 is f square plus 2f square cos theta. Now square both side. So 2f square is equal to f square plus f square 2f square 1 plus cos theta. 2f square got cancelled. So cos theta. So here 1 is equal to 1 plus cos theta. So cos theta is equal to 0. So theta is equal to pi by 2. Okay. So the value of x is 2. Then question number 10. Question number 10 is integration from 0 to 1 3x square plus 4 dx. So integration of x square is x cube by 3. So 3 into x cube by 3, 3 cancel, plus integration of 4 is 4x. Apply limit from 0 to 5, sorry 0 to 1. So 1 cube is 1 plus 4, answer is 5. Then question number 11. Integration sin x plus cos x dx from 0 to pi by 2. Okay, so integration of sin x is minus cos x. Apply limit 0 to pi by 2, plus integration of cos x is sin x. Apply limit 0 to pi by 2. Then pi by 2 cos pi by 2 is 0. So minus 0 minus minus plus 1 cos 0 is 1 plus sin pi by 2 is 1 sin 0 is 0. So answer is 2. Then question number 12. Question number 12 is the unit vector along a vector. A vector is 2i cap plus 3j cap. We know that unit vector along a vector is given by vector a upon mod of a. So calculate mod of a. Mod of a is equal to under root of 2 square 4 plus under root 3 square 9 means root 13. So it can be given as 2i cap plus 3j cap upon root 13. This is the unit vector along a vector. Then question number 13. Question number 13 is the displacement vector of the particle if it moves from 3, 4, 5 to 4, 5, 6. Initial point is 3, 4, 5. Final point is 4, 5, 6. So displacement vector will be from A to B will be x2 minus x1 I cap, y2 minus y1 j cap, z2 minus z1 k cap. So x2 minus x1 means 4 minus 3 means 1 I cap, plus 5 minus 4 means 1 j cap, plus 6 minus 5 is 1 k cap. This is the answer. Then question number 14. If the position coordinate of the particle is 2, 3, then the position vector is. If the position of the particle is given by 2, 3, we know that position vector is xi plus yj. Xy are the coordinates, so the coordinates of the particle is given as 2, 3, so 2i plus 3j. Okay. Then question number 15. Value of integration 1 by x raised to power 4 dx. Okay, so x raised to power 1 by x raised to power 4 is equal to x raised to power minus 4 dx. So now the integration is x raised to power minus 4 plus 1 upon minus 4 plus 1 plus c. So x raised to power minus 3 upon minus 3. So it is 1 by 3 x cube plus c. Then question number 16. The angle between A cross B and B cross A. We know that if suppose in this plane one is A vector and other is B vector, then according to right hand thumb rule, A cross B, so A cross B will be upward and B cross A. So first fingers across B and curl towards A. So thumb is downward. So B cross A will be downward. So they both are opposite to each other. So angle between them is, this is the angle, 180 degree means pi radian. Okay. Question number 17. If y is equal to 10x into cos square x, then divide by dx. Y is equal to 10x into cos square x, then divide by dx. So प्रोडक्ट रूल लगाएंगे इसमें. So पहले divide by dx. So 10x का डिफरेंशिएशन होता है sec स्क्वायर x इंटू कोस स्क्वायर एक्स को ऐसा कैसे लिखेंगे, प्लस लगाएंगे. फिर कोस स्क्वायर एक्स का डिफरेंशिएशन होगा 2 कोस एक्स इंटू माइनस साइन एक्स और 10x को ऐसा कैसे लिख देंगे. सो सेक स्क्वायर एक्स से कोस स्क्वायर एक्स कैंसिल, 1 माइनस 2 कोस एक्स साइन एक्स इंटू 10x की जगह लिख देंगे साइन एक्स अपॉन कोस एक्स. कोस एक्स से कोस एक्स कैंसिल, सो आंसर आया 1 माइनस 2 साइन स्क्वायर एक्स. ओके. Then question number 18. Y is equal to x plus 1 into 3x plus 1. We have to find dy by dx. So सबसे पहले ब्रैकेट ओपन कर लेते हैं, फिर डिफरेंशिएशन कर लेंगे. So x into 3x is 3x square plus 1 into 3x is 3x. Then x into 1 is x plus 1 into 1 is 1. So 3x square plus 4x plus 1. So dy by dx होगा इसका 6x plus 4. Okay. Then question number 19. dy dx of e raised to power cos x. dy dx of e raised to power कोस एक्स, इसमें भी चेन रूल लगेगा। पहले e की पावर x का होता है e की पावर x, तो e की पावर x का होगा e की पावर cos x, देन cos x का डिफरेंशिएशन होगा माइनस साइन x, सो आंसर आएगा माइनस साइन x इंटू e रेस टू पावर cos x। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, if y is equal to sin x plus ln of x square plus e raised to power 2x, then we have to find dy by dx. So dy by dx will be differentiation of sin x is cos x, यहाँ पे चेन रूल लगेगा, ln of x square is 1 by x square into x, differentiation of x square is 2x plus e raised to power 2x, so e raised to power 2x and differentiation of 2x is 2. So the answer is cos x plus 2 by x plus 2 e raised to power 2x. Then next question, question number 21. If the profit function of a company is given as, profit function means profit is depend upon x of any company is given as 41 minus 24x minus 18x square. This is the profit function of any company. Then the maximum profit that the company can make is 7z. Maximum profit is equal to 7z. Then we have to find the value of z. So हमें मैक्सिमम मिनिमम निकालना है, तो हमें कंसेप्ट पता है कि मैक्सिमम या मिनिमम पर स्लोप इक्वल टू 0 होता है। सो इसका स्लोप होगा dp by dx, कितना होगा -24 minus 36x is equal to 0. So 36x is equal to minus 24, so x is equal to आएगा 12 into 2 minus 2/3. अब चेक कर लो इस पर फंक्शन मैक्सिमम होगा या मिनिमम, तो डबल डिफरेंशिएशन करके देखो। सो इसका डबल डिफरेंशिएशन आएगा -36 विच इज लेस देन 0, सो इस पर मैक्सिमम ही होगा, इस वैल्यू पर मैक्सिमम ही होगा। अब कितना होगा, ये वैल्यू इस फंक्शन में पुट कर दो। सो पी मैक्स होगा 41 minus 24 into minus of 2/3 means प्लस हो जाएगा into 2/3 minus 18 into minus of 2/3 का स्क्वायर 4/9, so 3 से 8 times, so 41 plus 16 is 57 minus 8, so it is equal to 49, so equal to 7z, so value of z is equal to 7. Okay. The next question. Question number 22. The function x raised to power 5 minus 5x raised to power 4 plus 5x cube minus 10 as a maxima. X raised to power 5 minus 5x raised to power 4 plus 5x cube minus 10 as a maxima. Suppose this is function y equal to, so we have to calculate maximum value of y, which the value of x at which y is maximum. So at maximum minimum, differentiation of any function is 0, and slope of any function is 0. So 5x raised to power 4 minus 20x cube plus 15x square is equal to 0. So कॉमन आएगा 5x स्क्वायर, ब्रैकेट में बचेगा x स्क्वायर माइनस 4x प्लस 3 इक्वल टू 0. सो 5x स्क्वायर, इसके फैक्टर लेंगे, माइनस 3x माइनस x प्लस 3 इक्वल टू 0. 5x स्क्वायर x कॉमन आएगा, x माइनस 3 बचेगा, -1 x माइनस 3 इक्वल टू 0। तो x की 3 वैल्यू है, एक आई 3, एक आई 0, एक आई 1। अब किस वैल्यू पर मैक्सिमम होगा ये फंक्शन, उसके लिए हम क्या करेंगे, इसका डबल डिफरेंशिएशन कर निकालेंगे, उस पे पर x की वैल्यू पुट करेंगे, जिस भी वैल्यू पे डबल डिफरेंशिएशन नेगेटिव आएगा उस वैल्यू पर ये मैक्सिमम हो जाएगा। तो फाइंड आउट डबल डिफरेंशिएशन। So double differentiation of this function 5 into 4 20x cube minus 60x square plus 30x। अब इसमें मैं x इक्वल टू 3 पुट करता हूं पहले, तो डबल डिफरेंशिएशन आएगा 3 into 3 into 3 मीन्स 9 27। ओके 27। चलो पहले कम वैल्यू से शुरू करते हैं, x इक्वल टू 0 पुट करते हैं, तो x इक्वल टू 0 पुट करेंगे तो 0 आएगा, हमें नेगेटिव चाहिए। अब x इक्वल टू 1 पुट करते हैं, तो ये आएगा डबल डिफरेंशिएट डी स्क्वायर वाई बाई डी एक्स स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू, ये आएगा 20 माइनस 60 प्लस 30। सो 20 प्लस 30 50 माइनस 60 माइनस 10, तो इस वैल्यू पर ही नेगेटिव आ रहा है, लेस देन 0। सो x इक्वल टू 1 पर ये फंक्शन मैक्सिमम होगा। ओके then question number 23. Question number 23 is if y is equal to u cube and x is equal to 5u square, then we have to find out dy by dx at u equal to 10. At u equal to 10 we have to find dy by dx. So first find out dy by du. It is equal to 3u square dx by du. It is equal to 10u. Then divide, this is equation first and this is second. Divide equation 1 equation 2 by 1. So dy by du upon dx by du is equal to 3u square upon 10u. U got cancelled, du got cancelled, so dy by dx is equal to 3u by 10. Now we have to calculate dy by dx at u equal to 10. So 3 by 10 into u, put the value of u as 10, so the answer is 3. Okay. Then question number 24. For two real number x and y are such that x plus y is equal to 6. Find the maximum possible value of xy. Maximum possible value of xy. Suppose p is equal to xy. We have to find the maximum value of p. So p maximum कब होगा, जब इसका स्लोप होगा 0। अब ये p x पर भी डिपेंड करता है और y पर भी डिपेंड करता है। सो जब भी दो वेरिएबल है तो हमें एक को एलिमिनेट करना होगा। सो इस इक्वेशन से कर देंगे तो y इज इक्वल टू क्या होगा, 6 माइनस एक्स, ये यहाँ पे पुट कर दो, तो p इज इक्वल टू हो जाएगा x इंटू 6 माइनस एक्स, तो p इज इक्वल टू हो जाएगा 6x माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर। अब इसको इक्वल टू करो, इसका स्लोप निकाल के 0 करो, सो स्लोप आएगा इसका 6 माइनस 2x इक्वल टू 0। सो x इक्वल टू 3 पर ये मैक्सिमम होगा, तो x इक्वल टू 3 है तो वहां से देखोगे तो y इक्वल टू भी 3 आएगा, तो मैक्सिमम वैल्यू ऑफ फंक्शन एक्स वाई आएगा, पुट द वैल्यू ऑफ एक्स एंड वाई 3, सो आंसर आएगा 9। ओके देन लास्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 25. द एंगल बिटवीन टू वेक्टर्स a वेक्टर एंड b वेक्टर इज p डिग्री. a वेक्टर इज 2i cap plus j cap minus k cap and b vector is I cap minus k cap is p degree, then we have to calculate the value of p degree by 5. P degree by 5. So calculate the angle between these two vectors. We know that cos theta is equal to angle between two vector is equal to a dot b upon ab. So a dot b, calculate a dot b separately. So a dot b is equal to 2 into 2 into 1 2 plus 1 into 0 0 plus k minus 1 into minus 1 1. So a dot b is 3. Then a is under root of 2 square 4 plus 1 plus 1 root 6. Then b under root of 1 plus 1 root 2. So cos theta is equal to 3 upon root 6. Root 6 I can write like this, root 3 into root 2. So root 3 into root 2, this is a. Then b is also root 2. So root 3, 3 by root 3 is root 3 upon root 2 into root 2 is 2. So cos theta is equal to root 3 by 2 means theta is equal to 30 degree. Means angle P is equal to 30 degree. Then P degree by 5 is equal to 6 degree. Okay. So बी फेस मेंस पेपर हमने डिस्कशन कंप्लीट किया आज. इसी तरह से तैयारी करते रहो आप सब लोग. ऑल द बेस्ट फॉर द नेक्स्ट पेपर. बाय.